Where the heck are we, Robert?
Petone.
Petone? Wellington. Yes, Petone's in Wellington. Lower Hutt. Why are we here?
Like the new Cycleway. Around the harbour, right around.
Cool. Let's get going. Here in Petone is a very familiar setting for us, as our middle son lives just over the hill in Wainuiomata, and we frequently drive here to visit him, his wife, and their new baby Audrey. So over the years that it has taken for the Te Ara Tupua cycle and walkway to be created, we have watched developments progress as we drove along the Petone motorway from the Nauronga turnoff, witnessing the progression each time, with the stunning Wellington Harbour as a backdrop. So today, 4 days after the official opening, we are finally able to ride over this new 4.7 kilometre track. I like that. Looking over the harbour. It's cool. To witness for ourselves what all that hard work achieved. They've made it nice. I see. Oh, that's wide as. Isn't it? It's nice and wide for cyclists. Yeah. We're heading into Wellington. It will be 9.8 k's to Wellington. That's said. Nauronga 4.7. I suppose we're only going 4.7, Robert. Hey, to Nauronga. Oh, what's in here? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, Rudy. Got a write-up, Te Ara Tupua. Wasn't that what it was called? This little room was locked, so we couldn't read the information in there. But these other information boards told of how a manu tukutuku is a traditional Māori kite that would soar like a bird between earth and sky. And in the early 1830s, Te Puni and his people settled in the Whanganui Atara, that's the Wellington Harbour area, establishing a pā on the beach at Petone, now called Petone. And Petone was the first European settlement in the Wellington region. Oh wow, it's so popular. Look how many people there are all of a sudden. Okay. These X-Block Plus interlocking concrete seawall blocks enabled the coastline to have a much steeper incline with a far smaller footprint, and they were cast in Otaki. This is nice for the walkers, isn't it? Lovely. Po kanapa means shimmering post, and these po will hold life for birds and insects, forming habitats within the carved sections, generating a visible shimmering effect or sense of movement. Ah, penguins! Oh, I heard they killed them. Aww. 250 specially designed nesting boxes have been placed within these rocks and X-Block Plus units, mimicking the natural nesting environment for the penguins. But, alas, 4 little blue penguins were killed by the construction activity that took place here while creating this cycleway. Okay. Let's go. Slippery a bit on the edge. Okay. What a kiwi. The sea wall along here has precast concrete hollow structures placed amongst other rocks to encourage marine life like seaweed, mussels and shrimp to make the pools their home. Windy along here. What does that say? Yeah. Oh, what? Really? Where? The Waihinahina stream and waterfall flow out of a reserve in Newlands above the Horokiwi quarry and can be seen from various vantage points near Hut Road. Te Ara Tupua. Te Ara Tupua means the cave opening, as 2 kilometres north of Nauronga was a burial cave in a cliff full of skulls and skeletons and was extremely tapu or taboo and has now been filled in. 56 engineered pyramids have been placed in the harbour over a 5-hectare area, 4 metres long by 4 metres wide and 5 metres tall, weighing 22 tonnes. At a depth of 7 to 10 metres below the surface. They've been designed as a fish habitat and for algae and shellfish to grow on. And that's it there, with Wellington in the distance. Certainly is. Rock formation. Guessing. Okay. Robert? 2 offshore habitats were built early in the construction to provide an alternative place for birdlife to roost while construction was taking place.
You know I'm working.
What is all that? Nothing? High voltage, is that it? Okay. The workers. Pari Karangaranga means cliff of echoes, as in days of old, as Māori passed along the beach here, they would listen for the voice of the woman who had committed suicide in this place of many echoes. Papa. No, Ambo. I'll follow you, Ambo.
Last night I took my pen and my pencil and took a trip off the universe. Verses sweeter than cinnamon. Rehearse and repeat my verses till it's stuck in me instantly. Kill it, I hearse, I work, I bust my legs in the interim. Chasing sky, higher vibes, yeah. By all means, trying to flex like Hot 97. By all means, triple back,
Oyster catchers nest in the high tide line in a simple scrape in the sand among shells and stones, making them vulnerable. So a concrete louvered vertical seawall protects their nesting habitat.
we've been working, we've been working, yeah, we've been working, yeah, we've been.
It's a different one. Popular, it's being used. It's good to see. Mind you, it's only 4 days after. Boats on the harbour. Is that a blue bridge coming in? Too busy. Tahataharoa means long sloping hill, when this beach, once used for waka landings, was backed by a steep hill face. But now the beach has been buried beneath the Hutt Road, or State Highway 2, and the railway embankment. Oops, sorry, garden, I'm walking over you. Okay, moving on. Heaps of defibrillators along the way. Got them all along the way for all us oldies that might have a heart attack along the way. Well, I don't know where the lovely weather went. We always leave it back home. Beautiful blue skies. It's cloudy here. Oh, it's not unusual. It's not unusual to have cloud in Wellington. Na, 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 na. It's always a song. The colourful rocks. Uh-oh. No, that's that same one too. Penguin. Another train. It's not the traffic, the cars, it's the train going off. Very noisy trek this is. She's a noisy as track. Oh well, it is what it is. It's that same penguin one. And what's here? Let's have a look. Ooh, up we go. And over.
Sun is falling, speed in the black. Nobody driving, we're in the back to the end of the world.
How far does it go? Are we keeping on going? Yeah.
Stars will rise, tides will fall with the gravity of you to the end of the world.
Well, that's not a defibrillator. Oh. Oh. Oh, so that's about it then, is it? Te Ara Tupua, the ancient pathway, linking Nauranga and Petone, with patterns and panels on this passover representing water and waka, affirming the importance of this pathway to iwi, past, present and future.
Find my way to you. Yeah. I want to find my way to you.
That is cool. Don't jump. It's neat, eh? I like that. Looking over the harbour. It's cool.
Catching a feeling of wonder. Can't stop till I feel that way again. No. Find my way to you. Gotta find my way. Find my way to you. Gotta find.
picture. Nice picture.
Hush. So what did you think of it?
Cool.
I think they did a good job, don't you? We would watch them, wouldn't we, every time we'd come and visit our son, we'd watch them working, and now it's finished. And I think they've done a blooming good job. Yeah? Top marks. We stopped off in Levin on our way home for some pick-me-up treats when strangers approached us saying they watch our YouTube channel. That was a first for me and such a pleasant surprise. So nice to meet you, V8 Nuts.